Toskabasio manchu murigeria se oroboti ronde muraibuensi ya Kenya nigo ritkoria rero haikirana OMOYEGA BW'OGOCHENGERA EMIAKA 52 ya skulu ya sekondari ya THIKA ase kaunti ya Kiambu. Ruto nigo bona irari bagerio na kwegerera mirobiri ya serikali ya bekire koene kiabuna chisemi nkwego achiri baga rieri tangani.
If Kenya is to catch up with our peers who left us behind and became first world countries, we must invest in education. They invested in education, we must do the same or even do it better. That is why yesterday we chartered strategic universities. We gave charter to Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology at our Concert Technopolis as a chartered university that is going to take on board master's students, because we need to develop a higher category, a higher caliber of scientists in Kenya. Yesterday also, we chartered Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, as a university. Again, because, and it will be a university or a graduate university where people from masters and PhD will be learning. Again, because if Kenya has to move to a first world country, we need the highest caliber of human capital to drive our transformation. I have said this and I will repeat again. There is no nation which can develop beyond its capacity to think or to create knowledge. Yeah? You cannot develop in the dark. You have to have people who are thinking. And that is why we're investing in education. And it is strategic. Many people may not understand it today. They will come to understand it someday.